For many years, kilala niyo ako bilang DJ Philly. Traveling, performing, at living the DJ life. Pero habang tumatagal, nagbabago rin ang priority sa buhay. Ngayon, gusto kong ibahagi sa inyo ang bagong chapter ng journey ko. This time, hindi lang ito tungkol sa music and events. This is about family. First, let me introduce you to my partner in life. This is my wife, AJ. Siya ang strength behind everything that we do. Next, this is Aura, our oldest daughter. Siya ang ate ng family, the emergency adult, the one with full of energy and always bringing good vibes. Then we have Gab, our middle child. Siya ang cool and adventurous one. And finally, our youngest, Harvey, the baby boy of the family, bringing smiles and chaos in the best way. So, sa mga susunod na vlogs, makikita niyo rin ang mga behind the scenes ng business namin, family life, camping adventures, daily hustles, and our everyday moments together. From the DJ booth to bringing memories with the people who matter the most. This is DJ Philly, and this is our life. A few years ago, we used to dream about moments like this. Simple things, peaceful days, a private place where our family could just breathe, laugh, swim, walk, and enjoy each other's company without worrying about the noise of the world around us. Back then, life felt heavier.
The gang pull up, yo.
Everything was on survival mode. Stress, pressure, uncertainty. And sometimes, it felt impossible to imagine moments like this.
Oh, guys, I was really working on my Tagalog, guys. The other day in the restaurant, I said paso. I was like, pasto.
But now, looking around today, I realize how blessed we really are. Not because of luxury, not because of status, but because we're surrounded by people who genuinely supports us. Family who opened doors for us. A family who created safe spaces for us to make memories together. A place where our kids can laugh freely, where we can swim peacefully, and where we don't have to pretend to be anybody else. As you get older, you realize privacy is peace. Real peace is rare. And being able to spend quality time with the people you love, away from negativity and strangers, that's something money alone can't buy. A few years ago, we prayed for moments like this. Today, we're living in them. And for that, we'll always stay grateful. Time.
She's spraying a turkey. Oil spraying a turkey. It's Thanksgiving Day. It's a big ass turkey. Thanksgiving Day. Where's AJ? This is our job, no?
It's supposed to be your job, apparently.
Managed to escape. This is from my work.
Oh, well, really? But I can still shower with this?
Oh, it's called high tech.
High-tech? High-tech pala to eh.
I got it for
High-tech
free,
to.
but it's 20%.
Really? Yeah. Per bottle?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
24 pounds?
Oh no. Oh no. Your legs like this. Good job. Look at Harvey. Go on. Go on.
Shimmy your hips.
Wow.
Shimmy.
Wow. They're getting good at swimming though. I don't think the other two take to learn. Alright, you want to learn how to swim.
Bruh.
Wash it.
Gab.
No tissue, wash it, madam.
Hey, nice shirt. What happened there?
Yeah. Aww. You got hit. See, nobody checks on that. Nobody checks on that.
What happened here? Does it hurt?
Press it. Press it. Again.
Oh! So the person here, press my hand. See what happens if you press my hand.
Right there.
So recording.
Why?
And like,
Don't look it. This one is a non-negotiable one though. Because this is far enough. You're never gonna be this age again. You know what I mean? And for us, this is very special. You know, like this moment, this time,
Yeah.
the time that Kuya wore that his t-shirt. That's special for us. So, key.
okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Thank you. No, Kuya. How's the t-shirt?
This is the hot. The hot bit. So my butt hurts.
Huh?
My butt's on fire.
Can you do an impression of me?
I love my sons and daughters so much. I love my sons and daughters so much. Dad said to do an impression.
That's good. How about you, my boy? How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah? How was your day today?
Good.
Yeah?
Good.
Sure?
Good.
What can you say about today?
Good.
Yeah, say a message.
It was.
Give a message to your future self.
Also, I'm going to be rich and make sure you don't get any cavities
Why?
because I eat lobsters.
Because she eats lots of sweets. And say to yourself, make sure you always have good teeth.
Make sure you always have good teeth. That's Loki.
Doing my lessons, and then
Well, it's not fair because Ray's
put me into
significantly taller than me, so he hit the wall before me. But I know pure speed.
and he stands on his feet.
And his wingspan is obviously longer than me, but I know that I could win. No, I'm not accepting the defeat. The swimming?
Who's gonna accept it? Tell Ray why he in a family like
You're
this.
taller than me.
In a family like this.
Right? I don't know. Yeah, true. We're all competitive. She already said it.
Oh, you're taking the crap.
That's not good business.
Please tell him he's taking back the prize money, 50 pesos.
What?
That's bad business, man.
Yes.
That's crooked business. What are you gonna do?
It's still prize money, yeah.
What's gonna be the prize money?
5?
45.
You can go higher but not lower.
Yeah, you gotta stick to your word, son. Be a man of your word.
Stick to the 50. You
It's called integrity.
Yes. Hi, Ate. How are you?
What happens to Galina?
Yeah? That's good. You know, Ate, me and Ate spoke.
Yeah.
I told her my non-negotiables.
What's your non-negotiable?
It's the filming.
Filming.
Yes. I'll be filming all the time.
Yung sa atin, walang peres.
Ang weird, no? How one house can hold so many versions of your life. Ito yung bahay na minsan sobrang ingay, sigawan ng mga bata, tawanan sa labas, amoy ng nilulutong ulam, electric fan na maingay habang tanghali. Pero ito rin yung bahay na may gabing tahimik. Yung tipong ramdam mo yung bigat kahit wala namang nagsasalita. Dito kami lumaki. Dito kami natutong mangarap. Dito rin namin unang na-experience yung struggle. At alam mo yung mas mahirap ipaliwanag? People saw the house and automatically thought na mayaman kami. Oo, malaki yung bahay. And yes, we were lucky enough na may mga relatives kami na well-off. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin nun, madali na buhay namin. Yun ang hindi nakikita ng tao.
Sorry, lumabas. Ay, kumusta?
Dining! Yeah!
How are you? I'm 60! I can't believe that. Ito, ako nag-injection dito. Pinanganak niya. Kasi, ano nga ba? Bakit ako siya injection ako? May colon stain. Colon stain siya.
Yes, yes, yes. Pinali niya. Yes, yes, yes. Nag-antibiotics, yes.
Oo, dito. Inject ako na inject sa kanya.
Parang
Kain well.
si Kuya.
Andun.
Ay, kailangan tulong.
Kasi andun na yung mga ano. Nakita mo na sila, Aling?
Hindi pwede tayo namin.
Minsan, nasa gitna ka lang ng privilege. Pero hindi mo fully hawak yung comfort na iniisip ng iba. Hindi nila nakikita yung struggles behind closed doors. Yung pressure. Yung feeling na kailangan mong intindihin agad yung realidad ng buhay habang bata ka pa. At ang pinaka-crazy isipin, yung mga bata nakikita mong gumagapang lang dati. Ngayon, adults na.
DeeJay, labas ka dito. Dito, Tito Chiki mo.
Yung iba may anak na,
Si Chena, di ba?
may trabaho na. Yung iba tahimik na, compared dati na sobrang kulit. Parang kahapon lang, binubuhat mo pa sila. Ngayon, kaya na nilang dalhin sa sarili nilang problema. At habang tumatanda tayo, mas naiintindihan mo yung bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan dati. Hindi perfect yung bahay na to. Maraming good memories. Pero marami rin masakit. Pero siguro, without those struggles, hindi kami magiging ganito katatag. Those experiences humbled us. Tinuruan kami maging grateful. Tinuruan kami pahalagahan yung peace. And maybe that's why iba yung appreciation namin sa buhay ngayon. Kasi alam namin yung feeling na may misunderstood. Yung pakiramdam na akala ng tao okay kayo. Pero may sariling laban pala kayo. And no matter how old we get, there will always be a part of us na may iwan sa bahay na to. This house raised us. Through the good memories, the painful ones, and everything in between.
Wakin na, sabi mo wakin na ba? Oo, wakin na.
Meron pa nakikita dito.
So no, Hindi kami perfect. Hindi perfect yung pamilya namin. At hindi rin perfect yung bahay na kinalakihan namin. Pero despite everything, we're still here. Still standing. Still growing. Still trying to become better than the pain we came from. And for that, I'll always be thankful sa lumang bahay na yun.